think something absolutely insane is going to happen. Keep watching to find out. And we're gonna be fighting some absolutely ginormous monster that is shooting laser at us, okay? Insane, I know, right? Now this is gonna be really, really hard for me to do because I've never been in a situation like this, and I never fought Godzilla with a red laser that is destroying every single building around me. And I'm gonna have to, oh, there's a fire right there. I really gotta fix it. Unfire it. I'm not sure what the word is. Extinguish it? Oh, come on. I just have to keep on dodging the lasers, I swear. This is insane. I don't know what to do. Oh, I hope I make it out alive. Oh my god. You see, he's just shredding every single building. Damn. I hope there's no people here. Oh! Well, it just went all the way down to the ground. What is this, New York City? Come on. Oh. That's insane. Look at him. He's just standing. Oh, never mind. He's back to shooting his stupid laser. Whoa. His laser is just destroying everything. It's just... Damn. Relax, Godzilla. What did I do to you? And oh, he's gonna keep on shooting him. I gotta extinguish some things. Oh, he's going. Bye bye. Whoa. Oh, this looks sick. This is insane, actually. Look at all the detail in him too. Oh, oh, I'm so scared. I hope he doesn't get me. I wonder what's gonna happen if he does. Oh, look at this building just fell. Oh man, he's on water? I didn't know he's Jesus too. Come on. Oh, this is insane. Make sure to like and subscribe, by the way, guys. If you like Godzilla, I bet you will. Oh, he's just destroying everything. Look at it. So from... Oh, he's making his way here. Oh, he has his head in the building. Oh, he's burning on the building. Through the building? The amount of times I said building in this video is insane. That's what's insane. Oh, I took some damage from that. Damn, Godzilla, chill. Whoa. God damn, do you see that? Relax, please. This building takes so long to me. I'm whipping him. Oh my god. Look how destroyed it's going to be. I mean, it already is, but you know, it's gonna be way more destroyed. Look at him. Oh, he's so silly. Oh, no, the building! No! Oh, the red laser is actually sick. Like, it's insane. It's like Marvel Avengers kind of style thing. I love that. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Also, leave a suggestion on what I should do next in my next video. If you'd like to see more stuff of Godzilla destroying things, you know. Damn. Oh, this is so dangerous, too. Come on. Oh, what is going on? He just did like a front flip? He just did a front flip into the buildings? Okay. Oh, he's glowing. Look at his back. I'll be honest with you, I haven't really watched the movie where Godzilla is from, but it is really interesting. Whoa. His back is just glowing and looks sick. A blue laser this time. Oh, it looks amazing. Oh, look how shattered the building is from everything he's doing. It looks like water. It looks like water. Or electricity mixed with water, actually. Because it's glowing, obviously. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's actually crazy. The cars, I love the detail. I can drive a car. Let's go visit Godzilla. Oh, no, my car. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Godzilla. Oh, there's trees. Smack the tree. Oh, look at him. Oh, he sees me. There's two Godzillas? What? Oh, can they fight? Oh, this one has red on his back with a red laser. That actually me, honestly. It's like a zombie apocalypse at this point. They're just trying to get me. You can't get me. I am way too, what, fast for you? Too small for you? Small target. Oh, this is so dangerous. Honestly, it's scary. What if they do get me? I'm just gonna take this car. Yeah. He doesn't see me. He doesn't see me. Look at that laser, though. Oh, it looks like a lightsaber. That's what it looks like. That's what it reminds me of this entire game. Well, that's actually insane. Look at it burning it through everything. There's 3! Oh my god, I just realized there's 3 Godzillas! How? What? They're just spreading like wildfire! God! I'm still alive! I'm so surprised! Oh, whoa! You almost stepped on me, oh my god. This is so scary. Oh, another one, the red one. This one actually looks bigger. Or maybe it's just me, you know? Oh, look at him. He's insane. He's just stepping all over the building. This alien thing. Alien reptile. Oh my god. Look at him. Just inhale his what? Fire air? His laser air? Oh, the buildings are flying everywhere too. Oh, it's Oh my gosh, thank god. Oh my god, I'm just right